Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku. Sudoku is a fantastic logic puzzle that challenges your mind. The objective is quite simple. Fill a 9x9 grid with numbers from 1 to 9. The key is ensuring that each number appears only once in every row, every column, and every 3x3 subgrid. It's a game of deduction and pattern recognition, perfect for a quick mental workout or a relaxing evening. For easy Sudoku puzzles, start by scanning the grid for rows, columns, or 3x3 blocks that already have many numbers filled in. This makes it easier to spot the missing digits. Focus on cells where only one number can logically fit. For example, if a row is missing only a 5, and that 5 isn't present in the corresponding column or block, you've found your spot. This technique, often called single candidate or naked single, is your best friend for easy puzzles. Another powerful easy-level strategy involves finding hidden singles. This is when a specific number, say a 7, can only be placed in one particular cell within a row, column, or 3x3 block, even if that cell could theoretically hold other numbers. You might need to mentally eliminate other possibilities for that specific number across the entire row, column, or block to reveal its unique spot. It's a slightly more advanced form of elimination, but very effective. The best way to master Sudoku is through consistent practice. Begin with puzzles labeled very easy or easy to solidify your understanding of the rules and basic strategies. Don't be afraid to use a pencil and eraser or the undo feature in digital versions, as mistakes are part of the learning process. If you find yourself stuck, take a short break. Often, a fresh look will reveal the solution. With regular play, you'll quickly improve your speed and ability to spot patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.